Hey everyone, welcome back to Fake Boujie. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I designed my master walk-in closet with the Ikea PAX wardrobe system online. It's still not completely finished, but I just wanted to show you all how I got it from the computer into, what it is today, the actual structure of it. So stay tuned if you're interested. Okay, so as I said before, I did use the IKEA PAX wardrobe system. When you go to the IKEA website, you can just go type in PAX wardrobe planner, and it'll pop up, and it takes you to this little like virtual studio where you can just put in the measurements. I would say measure each wall like 5 times over just to make sure you have the correct measurements, because when you go in and start constructing this, what you get is based on your measurements. So I'll say be very cautious of that. Don't forget to measure the ceilings and anything that might affect what your closet comes out to look like. I didn't really have a hard time doing this. It was really quite simple. I actually had a lot of fun. It helps bring out your creative side if you're into that. So as I planned, I wanted to make sure that I had space for every single thing I owned that I wanted in my closet. So the original plan for this area was to have handbags on the sides. In the middle was going to be like a vanity area for jewelry and my perfumes. And then each layer under it was going to be one like sunglasses, one for wallets, then my underwear, bras. I was kind of inspired by like a Victoria's Secret type of vibe when it came to like my underwear and bras, just pulling out with the trays. And then they have like different type of drawers. You can do see-through, you can do the pull-outs with no face, or you can do the solid drawers. The solid drawers on the side, when I designed this, in my mind, I was going to store like, like non-designer bags that I still love. So like little backpack bags that I get from like Forever 21 and stuff like that. So in this section, I wanted this to be like winter type of stuff. So like my boots and booties and different things like that on the left side. And then the right side was going to be my pants. And I had a drawer for my belts in between the two pants pullouts. And then I also had the top of the right side was going to be for my sneakers. I also want to just quickly add, make sure that you are planning for the future as well when you do this. I want to have this wardrobe system for the rest of, well, not for the rest of my life, but for as long as possible, because it is an investment. And so I want to be able to add more stuff, buy more stuff, and still have room in my closet. Moving right along to this next section. So originally this was going to be all of my heels on the right side, and then all of my flat shoes like sandals and slides and all that good stuff over here on the left. The basket at the bottom was going to be for flip-flops, like Old Navy flops, whatever. Just, for like beach. I go to the beach a lot, and I like to wear flip-flops when I'm on the beach. So that's what that section was going to be for. Over here at the top was going to be my sweaters. The bottom was going to be my jackets and hoodies. This bottom space under where I was going to put my jackets and hoodies was just extra storage. I feel like you can never have too much storage, especially in your closet. So moving on to the second, I'll call them boxes. The second box, this was going to be for t-shirts on the top, bodysuits in the middle, and in the drawers I was going to have scarves and my leggings, and then the bottom basket was going to be like winter hats and gloves. I didn't exactly end up doing my closet like this, which I'll explain to you all in a little bit. All right, the third section, basically the middle, well, third box, I think that's what I said I was going to call them. I think this one was going to be like crop tops and pants. I want to say like camis or something. I don't remember exactly what the plan was when I did this because like I said, it ended up being, I wouldn't say totally different, but a lot different than how I originally envisioned it. These last two boxes over on the right, I'm sorry, I'm eating Starburst. I don't know why. My mouth is like extra juicy right now. But these two over here, I was going to do, the bottom two were going to be dresses. One side was like summer dresses, stuff like that. And then the other side was going to be stuff that I would wear like out, like nightwear type stuff, you know, like cocktail dresses, you know, like club outfits, stuff like that. And above that, I think I was going to do like blouses or something. Overall, I just wanted to make sure I had like extra room, you know, because you never know how much space you're going to need or how many more items you're going to have. The one thing I wasn't able to like build in this was the island that I ended up doing. When I was making this, I knew I wanted an island, and that's where I was going to store like swimwear, loungewear, pajamas, my workout clothes. I wanted to make sure every single thing that I owned fit in this closet. And I will once again like to make the disclaimer, I did not own enough stuff to fill this closet when I first started planning it. Make sure you save room to grow. If anyone would like a video that's more detailed on specifically how to use this wardrobe planner from Ikea with like tips and stuff like that, just comment below and let me know. I think that would be a cool idea for a video, but I don't want to make it unless you all are actually interested in it, so just let me know below. I wanted to show you all like a split screen view of how I planned it versus how it turned out. I will say I didn't really start making changes until after I purchased some of the wardrobes, and then I realized, okay, like this one's too high. I wanted this one to be a little lower. I actually wanted drawers right here. Some of the stuff that I wanted, Ikea didn't make anymore, so I had to like switch that up too. But overall, I think it turned out pretty identical to what I envisioned. I love the way it looks. The one thing I honestly love most about the IKEA PAX system is that you can change this at any point. Like, all you have to do is buy, you know, whatever inserts you want for your boxes that'll go with what you have. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this or a full closet tour. Let me know below.